You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. Let's break down this name in English. The name of a plant, Gentian in French. In English, the pronunciation, both British and American, is as gentian. Let's break it down into syllables. Gentian, gentian, gentian. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.